Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Q. In today's video, we are going to be making a puffed up sleeve or a leg of mutton sleeve. This is a gorgeous sleeve and today I'll be showing you how you can make it yourself. Before we continue, please remember to subscribe to the channel and also hit the notifications bell to ensure that you never miss any of our future videos. Also leave us a comment and share the video with your friends and family. To construct the leg of mutton sleeve, you are going to make use of your basic sleeve pattern. If you do not know how to draft your own basic sleeve, please check the description box. I'm going to leave a link to a video on how to draft a basic sleeve. Get your basic sleeve and also get a fresh piece of pattern paper. Make sure you draw these two prominent lines. From the sleeve head line, measure down 3 inches. Draw a straight line. Next, measure the distance between this point and this point. This is 9 inches, therefore we measure 4.5 inches. Do the same on the other side, measure 4.5 inches. Connect this point with a straight line. Do the same this side, connect the point with a straight line. Next, cut along the lines that you've drawn like this. Stop at this point. Also cut along this line. Make sure you don't cut through and separate these two pieces. Let it hang loosely like that. Also cut this piece. Repeat the process with these 3 pieces. Tape the sleeve onto the fresh pattern paper. Next, open up the slashed pieces like this. Depending on how puffed up you want the sleeve to be, you can open these 2 pieces and make them wide, or you can make them a bit smaller like that. Measure the distance between these 3 pieces. I've decided to make the distance between the pieces 2.5 inches and then you tape it down. Also, this is 2.5 inches. Repeat the process on the other pieces. From the center line, measure 2.5 inches like that. All the pieces have been taped down as you can see. Next, extend the center line up. As you can see, the distance between this piece in the center and that piece in the center is equal. The same applies for all the pieces. Next, trace around the sleeve onto the pattern paper. Continue tracing the sleeve with your free hand. Stop at this point. You can use a French curve to finish up the rest of the sleeve. This is your mutton leg sleeve. Now you can cut it out. Remember what I said. If you want the sleeve to be fuller at the top, you can open these pieces a bit wider. Mark this point and also that point on the other side. Also mark the front of the sleeve and also the back of the sleeve like that. Cut the sleeve out. Use the pattern to cut the fabric. Lay the pattern on a fabric like this and pin it down. Cut around the pattern, leaving a sewing allowance of 0.5 inches. Remember these two markings. You will gather the sleeve head up to these 2 points. This is our sleeve. Next, we have to transfer this point onto the fabric. Fold the point like that. Make a small cut on the fabric like that. Do the same for the side. Also mark the shoulder point at the top. Now sew a line from this point right round the sleeve head up to this other point. Make sure the tension on the machine is loose and also the stitch length should be 4. The gathering line has been sewn, as you can see. Next, grab one piece of thread like that. Pull the thread like this. Push the fabric backwards, as you can see. Be very gentle because the thread might snap if you force it. Keep doing it like this. My fabric is a bit stiff, so bear with me. Do the same for the other side. Grab the top piece of thread and pull it like that. Tie the thread. Measure the armhole to make sure that it fits the armhole of your bodice. Once you are sure that the armhole fits your bodice, then tie both the ends of the threads. Next, turn around the fabric like this. Sew the sleeve from top to bottom. This is how gorgeous the sleeve is. These are the 2 mutton sleeves. They have been attached onto the dress, as you can see. If you enjoyed the video, please ensure to like it, comment, share and subscribe to the channel. Also make sure you hit on the notifications bell to make sure that you never miss any of our future videos.